Hello everyone, our project is TA Tracker, which is an online tool that focuses on managing TA application process. Our team members are Himaja, Hemant, Sriram, Sai Divya and Gopi Chandu. TA Tracker is a web-based application system which is designed to manage the TA applicants at Florida Atlantic University, and this includes four user types. They are teaching applicants, department staff, TA committee members, and also instructors. And TA Tracker is a comprehensive system designed to streamline the teaching assistant management process. It is built with the robust code dependencies, including Express for server management, Multer for file uploads, and JWT for secure session handling. And the system will enable TA committee members to decide which course to assign TAs to and instructors to evaluate TA performance, department staff to match TA expertise with courses, and candidates to submit their information. And the TA application dashboard includes whenever an applicant is trying to apply for a teaching assistant position, will have to register with their student ID and personal details, then authenticate with their account using a special password and email combination. And the password should be 8 characters long. Once on their application page, the TA candidates can explore the courses that need TAs, and they can also upload their resumes. They can track the progress of their applications which they have submitted, and they can also sign up for the notifications. And in the login page acted as the entry point to the TA tracking system. It provided the security and allowed the users to enter their unique ID and password. This page was designed with a clean and friendly user interface to provide a straightforward user experience. The login system is to enter a secured area of the TA tracking system where users' personal information and application status are stored. This page also promotes users' trust with a clear navigation to the registration page where users can register their new account. User's password is also enforced with the defined criteria. And after successfully logging in, the users can view the dashboard page, and this is used to help them manage responsibilities, and there are forms she can fill out for applying for a TA position. And student can also view their application through this portal. And since it is important for a student to know whether their application has been approved or rejected by the department staff and the TA committee members. And the department staff will be able to log in their login with their login credentials, and they'll be guided to the page where they can input the TA courses. The main aim of the department staff is to input the courses by entering the details such as course name, course number, and the number of vacant positions, and also the time. And the department staff are the backbone of the course management. They input TA requirements, manage course offerings, and also review the TA applications. Their dashboard is the command center for adding, updating, and removing course details. The TA committee members will be able to log in using the login credentials, the website where they may view the administrator suggestions and filter the TA candidates according to the experience and the data which is available to them. To update the status, the decision needs to be sent to the administrators. The TA committee members wield the tools to approve or reject the TA application and oversee the feedback. Their dashboard reflects the life cycle of TA allocation from applications to feedback, ensuring a quality selection process. They will finalize whether this TA is accepted or rejected. The instructor plays a major role. The instructor can monitor TA status and provide a valuable feedback. The dashboard simplifies these tasks, displaying which students have offers and accepted positions. It's all about maintaining oversight and nurturing TA's talent. And members of the TA committee and administrators will review this information in the future. Let's go to the application page. Here is the sign up page, which indicates secure access to the TA tracking systems. And here it gives a message that enter your credentials to continue. First, we need to enter our username. Let me write my name as Himaja and at fau.edu. Let me give my password 1234. I'm selecting as student. Click on register and it gives a message that password should be at least 8 characters long. So this ensures that the password should be strong enough by providing 8-character length password. So I've signed in as a student. As this is my first time that I'm signing in, so I have no applications found. And then I can go to the application form. And in the application form, for the personal details, you have to go to the profile page. Then you have to fill the details. Imaja at fau.edu and my Z number and the phone number and the joining date is nothing but the date that I've joined FAU. And I can click on update profile, then it gives a message that profile updated successfully. Then you can go back and fill your application form. Here is the unique feature that we have added. So every time whenever you're trying to fill an application form, you need not to fill your personal details because they can be taken from your profile page. So I'm describing my strengths. And you can click on this checkbox if you have already served as a TA. And you can also mention for which course you have served as a TA. Let's say I have served TA for deep learning course. Let me enter this. And there are some eligible courses list. From this list, you can select whichever course that you're willing to opt for TA position. Let's say I'm applying for computer data security, then I can select the computer data security in the eligible courses list. And here in the resume section, you have to upload your resume. And then I'm proceeding my application by clicking on the submit button. And after successful submission, it gives me a message that form submitted successfully. Then user can go back to the applications page and check the applications that user has submitted. Just now I have submitted my application for the computer data security course. So it is being displayed as pending because the department staff and the TA committee members have not taken any action on this particular application. And here there's a feedback section, and I have not got any feedbacks because this is my first application that I've submitted. You can get feedbacks from the instructors, and it will be visible for the students in the feedbacks page. This is how the student page works, and you can click on log out. Now I'm registering for the department staff. Let's say Divya belongs to the department staff member. Let me confirm the password. So while confirming the password, you have to re-enter your password, and the first password and the re-entered password should be matched so that only you will be able to log in successfully. I'm selecting as department staff and I'm clicking on the register button. So the department staff will be able to check the applications which are submitted by the students. So let's say Himaja has just now submitted her application for the computer data security course, and she has already served as a TA for the deep learning course, and her strengths are she's good at Java, C and C++. Now it's turn for the department staff to either reject or recommend this application to the committee members. Let's say I recommend Himaja for this course. Click on recommend, then it says application sent to the TA committee. And the major role of the department staff is to input TA requirement. So the department staff can now add new TA requirement per course through this function. This function includes completing a form by entering the course name, course number, capacity of the course, and the type of the course and course length. By adding on the by clicking on the add course button, it will be added to the new courses system. Now let me add some subject, which is analysis of algorithm. Let me say one 1457 is its course number, and the capacity is 5, and it is a core subject for computer science students, and the length of the course is like 2 hours. So it says course requirement added successfully. And you can check the available course list. Here are some available courses, and just now we have added the analysis of algorithm course over here. So it is available in the in the available course list. If staff selects the link available courses, then they can see the available courses record, like the same information such as course name, number, capacity, length. If the course is not needed for the further, or if it is required to delete the course, staff can delete the course by clicking on the delete option. Then it says course deleted successfully, then it is not visible. And The feedbacks are nothing but the department staff can also view the feedbacks which are given by the instructor for a student for recommending or rejecting a student. This is how the department staff works. First, they will recommend or reject based on the feedbacks and the information that they have. And they can also input the TA requirement by providing the course name, course number, capacity, course type, and also the course length. And they can also view the available course list and they can also delete the courses which no longer needed. And they can also update the profile by going to the profile page and they can update the profile same as a student does. And they can also click on log out and we are successfully logged out of the department tab. Let me log in as a committee member. Committee member can view the feedbacks and also the applications which are recommended by the department staff. For instance, just now, Devya, the department staff member, has recommended Himaja for the computer data security course. Now it's turn for the TA committee member to either approve or reject the offer application. Right. Now the TA committee member can check the details provided and he can either approve or reject the application. Let me approve this application. Then it says application accepted. And he can also view the feedbacks which are provided by the instructor. For for every feedback page, the feedbacks are visible which are given by the instructors. And this is how the TA committee members work. They'll approve or reject the offers, the applications based on the information that they have. They can also check the feedbacks which are given by the instructors for the future use. Let me log out and then log in here as a student. So we can check here the status shows approved because the department staff and the committee members have approved my request for the computer data security course. So students can view the status of the applications through this portal since it is important for the students to know whether their application has been approved or not. By clicking on the accept or reject button, they can either accept the offer or reject the offer for the TA position. Now let me accept this application offer. I'm clicking on accept and then it gives me a message that application accepted. Then I can log out and I can log in now, sign in now as a instructor. Make sure you give the correct credentials while entering your password. Now the instructor will be able to see all the notifications such as if someone has offer accepted the TA-ship offer for the computer data security course, they'll be notified with all the pop-up messages. And one of the main functions is like they're able to provide the feedback forms. They can fill the feedback, and they can also check all the feedbacks which are given by the instructor. Right. Now I have some of the applications which are submitted by the students. I can now fill the feedback form for Himaja for a computer data security course. Now, sh- now I'm giving her as she is an excellent student, great efforts. Let me submit this, and it says feedback created successfully. Now you can log out and then log in again as a student to view your feedback. Then you can go back to feedback. So now it will be notified in a notification board that you have got a feedback for the course computer data security. You can go to the computer data security feedback. You can view that some instructor has given a feedback to you that she's an excellent student, great efforts from her end. This is how the application works, and you'll be able to view feedbacks on every page, even in the instructor and every page. For the computer data security course, she is an excellent student. So, by considering all this information, they'll be either recommending or rejecting for the future use. This feedbacks will be useful for the future use. So, this is how our application works. Overall, TA tracking system aims to streamline the process of managing TA responsibilities, and this also promotes efficient communication between the student and the department staff between the four of the roles. By providing a centralized platform with user-friendly interfaces and comprehensive functionalities, the system enhances productivity and transparency in the TA management process. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.